React ES6 modules. Modules. JavaScript modules allow you to break up your code into separate files. This makes it easier to maintain the code base. ES modules rely on the import and export statements. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for further notifications. Export. You can export a function or variable from any file. Let us create a file named person.js and fill it with the things we want to export. There are two types of exports, named and default. Named exports. You can create named exports two ways. Inline individually or all at once at the bottom. Example. Inline individually. Person.js. Code. All at once at the bottom. Person.js. Code. Default exports. Let us create another file, named message.js, and use it for demonstrating default export. You can only have one default export in a file. Example. Message.js. Code. Import. You can import modules into a file in two ways, based on if they are named exports or default exports. Named exports must be destructured using curly braces. Default exports do not. Example. Import named exports from the file person.js. Code. Example. Import a default export from the file message.js. Code.